Today we will learn addition.
Easy math.
Fun counting.
Addition means putting things together.
When we put things together, the number gets bigger.
Look, I have one apple.
Now I add one more apple.
Let's count them.
1, 2
One apple plus one apple
equals 2 apples. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I have 2 balls.
I add one more ball.
1, 2, 3
One ball plus 2 balls
equals 3 balls. 1 plus 2 equals 3.
I have 2 blocks.
Now we add 2 more blocks. 1, 2, 3 4
2 blocks plus 2 blocks
equals 4 blocks. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Do you know, guys? 1 block plus 3 blocks equals 4. 1 plus 3 is also equals 4.
I have 4 ducks.
Now we add 1 more duck.
1, 2, 3 4 5
4 ducks plus 1 duck
equals 5 ducks. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
And also 3 plus 2 equals 5. I have 3 cars.
Now we add 3 more cars.
1, 2, 3 4 5 6
3 cars plus 3 cars
equals 6 cars. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Do you know, Momo? 5 plus 1 is also equals 6. And 4 plus 2 also equals 6.
6 fish in this bowl.
1 fish in this bowl. Let's count how many fish total in both bowls. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7
6 fish plus 1 fish
equals 7 fish. 6 plus 1 equals 7.
and 5 plus 2 also equals 7.
And 3 plus 4 also equals 7.
7 flowers.
1 more flower. Count.
1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8
7 flowers plus 1 flower
equals 8 flowers. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8.
5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 stars.
Count stars.
1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 1 9. 8 stars plus 1 star
Equals 9 stars. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9.
6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9.
9 teddies. Here, 1 more teddy. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 9 teddies plus 1 teddy equals 10 teddies. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10.
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, let's have a quick practice. 1 plus 1 equals
1 plus 1 equals 2.
1 plus 2 equals
3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals
4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
5 plus 1 equals
5 plus 1 equals 6.
4 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7.
7 plus 1 equals?
8. 7 plus 1 equals 8.
8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9.
5 plus 5 equals
10.
Friends, remember this rule.
Addition means
Putting things together.
Numbers grow bigger.
more and more.
Bye, friends. See you next time.
time.